Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is April and thank you so much for coming. Thanks as well to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. And for those who haven't yet subscribed, just click the button subscribe right here. Thank you so much. Okay guys, for today's video, I will be showing you how to make this cute and trendy pleated skirt. This is really easy to make, like it took me forever. The struggle is real. Just kidding guys. It's okay. Okay, let me try this on and let's see how it looks on me. Okay guys, if you want to know how to make this cute and trendy pleated skirt, and if you want to know how much I struggled with it, then keep on watching. See ya! When cutting this kind of fabric, you really have to be very careful. Everything needs to match. You can just cut anywhere because it won't work. Like for example, if I cut in here, I can save my fabric, but then it won't match. So instead, I need to cut right here. My cut needs to start right here. As you can see, it is matching. You need to let a minimum 2 cm seam allowance and 4 cm for all the rest. Now let me show you how to fold it. We will start right here. Lift it, pinch right here, and then fold like that. And secure. Okay, fold, pinch, and fold, then secure. It should look like this, and this time we have to sew this all the way to secure everything in place. Now we have to iron this like this one. See? Ta-da! looks right now, the front side and the back side. Almost done. We just need to add the waistband. And here it is. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed, to like it if you liked it, and to comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. I will try my best to answer or to respond to your comments. Okay guys, so have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.